Demystifying Live Gig. Dive into English expressions. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to explore the term live gig. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in conversations. Let's get started. Live gig is a combination of two words, live and gig. Live, this word, in this context, refers to something happening in real time, often in front of an audience. It's not pre-recorded or edited. Gig, a colloquial term primarily used to describe a live performance, typically by a musician or a band. It can also be used for other performances or jobs on a short-term basis. Putting them together, live gig generally refers to a real-time musical performance that happens in front of an audience. To give you a clearer picture, let's see how live gig can be used in sentences. 1. I'm going to watch my favorite band's live gig tonight. 2. The cafe down the street hosts live gigs every Friday evening. 3. She performed her first live gig at a local bar, and now she's a worldwide sensation. From these examples, it's evident that live gig can be used to describe various types of live musical performances, regardless of the venue or scale. Understanding synonyms and related terms can enhance your vocabulary. Here are some words or phrases that are often used interchangeably or in association with live gig. Concert, a larger-scale musical performance, usually by well-known artists. Show, a general term for any live performance, not limited to music. Set, refers to the specific list of songs an artist or band will perform during their gig. Remember, while these terms are related, they might not always be used interchangeably. Context is key. And that's a wrap on live gig. The next time you hear about a live gig in town or someone mentions they attended one, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and soon, these English expressions will be second nature to you. Happy learning!